job vacancy for the new logistic company.
Let me see. It's interesting. It said that no experience required. I think I should apply for it.
I agree.
But I need support from you and you have to come with me.
Sure.
Fine. I will write the CV and application letter first.
Meanwhile, in our universe.
Two hours later.
Thank you for your time.
Hey Geiza, my CV is ready.
Let's go.
Good morning, I help you?
I want to apply for the job in here.
Sir, let me your document. The heart will call you in the moment.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Mr. Akbar, you to meet you the heart.
Good morning. Please, sir. Please introduce yourself. Please spell your name.
Hi, my name is Al-Ghiffari Akbar. I am a 14-year-old logistic management professional high school student from Bogor. I am a big fan of listening to music and watching movies.
What department do you want to apply?
I want to apply at logistic department, specifically warehousing department.
Why do you interested want it?
Because when I was in school, I have learned about warehousing management system.
What are your strengths mentioned in your work?
I am a friendly person. I am a disciplined person, and I have good attitude.
What are your weaknesses mentioned in your work?
I am a perfectionist. Sometimes I work too hard, and I am easily to get angry.
How much salary do you earn in a month?
I have researched the normal amount of living expense in the city, and I have researched the amount of salary range at this department, and I want to ask about 4.5 million per month.
What course did you attend?
I have attended several courses like English and logistic course.
Can you work with a team and under pressure?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any experience in this position?
No, I don't have any experience in this position.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.